we got the handle put on. Works great. Hello everybody. So today I'm having a bit of fun. I get to put in a new storm door. As you can see behind me, the storm door is down because right here all of this busted out and destroyed itself. So we had to go down and get a new storm door, and I got my buddy here helping me, and we are installing a new storm door. So I had to go buy a new one. Thank goodness for rebates at the store. And yeah, so let me show you what we're doing. So we got this rail ready to go. We have a screw in right here because you have to hang the thing first to figure out where it goes, and then we then we put it on the screen door, and then we have to put it up there and hold the door and then screw it into the wall, and then yeah, so let's get to screwing that screen door. All right, so we got the rail installed on the screen door, or the storm door I guess is what you call it. Yeah, so this is the inside of the door. In order to make it so it turns the correct direction, you have to have this side up and put it on this side, and yeah, it's just a couple of screws. 8 screws later, and we got that done in my little tree I planted. Yeah, now we're trying to figure out if we're going to need these or not. I don't think we will, but these are an extender for the bottom, because so it's an extender on the bottom so the rail doesn't hit the wall or something. So it's not that bad. I don't think we're going to need it, but we're just checking it out to make sure we don't. All right, so we figured out we do not need the extender. The little plastic piece, if you put it on there, it will actually be really long on the base of this, so it'll actually hit I need to replace my porch too. That's my next project, but it'll actually hit right here, and we don't want that. So now I get to hold the door, and we get to put it up here. So let's do that. So for now, we have it hanging on just that one screw like we're supposed to, and then we got to come and install all the rest of the screws, and then the side frame and the top frame, and we have to put the thingy on the bottom of that. So we got the top drip rail in, and then we noticed over here when we had it in, up top here, it's slightly that way, and it needs to come this way. So we're gonna add a shim back here, because you can see where it's a little separated right there. We're gonna add a shim right there, and that'll fix our problem. So my door closes nicely, and I won't get water in here. All right, so we got it in. No gap anymore. There was a big gap there before. Perfect all the way down. Now we just got to get this secured, and on the inside secured, and then get the hardware to open the door and to keep the door so it doesn't swing open too far. So yeah, it's looking good. We also have to put the rain garden sweeper on the bottom of the door. Why they don't make you do that first, I don't know, but the instructions say do it later, so we'll just wait. All right, there we go. It's fully installed. We just have to put the bottom piece on yet, and then we have to put the handle and the latch on the inside, and then we got to do the little compressor that holds the door so it doesn't so it holds the door open and doesn't go, and the chain to keep it from going too far open. So yeah, this is a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, this was a temporary screw, and then you have to put it there until you get all this stuff up. You have to hang the door, and then you put this screw in all the other places, and then you're good to go. So yeah, we had to add some shims back here, and it moved this over because there was this is supposed to be like that, but it was all the way over here. So we had to add some shims, and it filled in about quarter-inch gap that was there. So all that is fixed, and it is beautiful. So that's how that looks before we put the screws in and install it, and that should be good, hopefully. Now we got to figure out the fun stuff. We got all this. We got to make sense of all this nonsense. Should be a lot of fun. All right, so we got the plunger installed so the door closes properly. Now we're going to work on the latch, and then we got to put the chain up here so it doesn't go too far. Looking pretty good. All right, we got the handle put on. Works great. Right here. And when you go this way, latches up beautifully. Got this installed, and we got this installed. So we got everything done. There we go. We got a beautiful new screen door. It's ugly, but it works. I wanted one that blended in, but we had to go with affordability versus looks. So
There you go.
So we installed a new screen door. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.